But to be able to do that, they had to get a bunch of people in there to be able to go into a competitive situation. So if you're an off-market listing, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think that you are actually going to get the same kind of exposure that an on-market listing would be? Ladies and gentlemen, it's Jerry McManus here from Keller Williams. I just want to thank you for coming on and sharing a little bit of time with us. But there's a trend that's in our business, and I see this a lot among real estate agents. It's the idea of wholesaling versus retailing, or something else that's affectionately known as off-market deals. A lot of times folks are thinking about selling their home, and they question themselves as to whether or not that they want all the quote-unquote aggravation of going through the normal listing process. Now, one of the things that I know and I've been able to do over the years is to get increasingly more and more money for folks that are my clients. And the reason I've been able to do that is because I've been able to correctly market a home to the consuming public and to be able to help stage and price properly homes so that those goals are accomplished. Now, what I see in off-market listings today is that people say they want to sell their house, but they don't want to go through this quote-unquote aggravation, like I was saying earlier on. Except one of the things that winds up happening, if you tell a real estate agent, and I see real estate agents boasting about this all the time, that they have these off-market properties. If an agent knows that you want to sell the house and you say you want to sell the house, did it ever occur to you that one of the problems that you could run into is that you're not going to get the exposure that you need to be able to get the highest price possible for your house? And what do I mean by that? Say for the sake of argument, you get in an area and your neighbor's home just sold for an amount you thought was unobtainable. So what winds up happening behind the scenes that you didn't see is that there might have been an open house. They might have got 6, 7, 8 offers. And those 6, 7, 8 offers help drive up that price, the price that you now are familiar with. But to be able to do that, they had to get a bunch of people in there to be able to go into a competitive situation. So if you're an off-market listing, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think that you are actually going to get the same kind of exposure that an on-market listing would be? The answer is no. So then if you are also an off-market listing, don't you think because there is no competition for you, no bidding war for you, that the price that you set might be a price that people work down from rather than use as a base and work up from? This is my question to you, is do you really think that that's the best way to go for you to be able to get the most amount of money possible for your home? I've been doing this for almost 20 years. I have not consistently seen examples where people have got the most amount of money possible by selling their home off market. If you're serious about selling your home and also serious about getting the most amount of money possible, you have to sit and talk with a real estate agent, go over things like staging, timing, professional photography, and I don't mean just stills, but video as well, open houses, public open houses, brokers open houses, these different things that will help generate the traffic through your home, which would ensure you getting the most amount of money possible for your home. So that's it for today, folks. Just wanted to tell you that about off-market listings. I don't think it's the way to go when you're looking to get the most amount of money possible for your home. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This way we can stay connected. Here's my contact information should you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.